Here's a simple explanation of artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL with examples. 1. Artificial intelligence is a broad field where machines mimic human intelligence, thinking, reasoning, decision-making. Example: a chatbot, like ChatGPT, that answers questions like a human. A self-driving car that navigates traffic. 2. Machine learning, a subset of AI where machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Example: spam filter in emails, learns which emails are spam based on past data. Recommendation system, like Netflix suggesting movies based on your watch history. 3. Deep learning, a subset of ML that uses artificial neural networks, like a human brain, to solve complex problems. Example: face recognition in smartphones, detects and identifies faces. Voice assistants, like Siri or Alexa understanding spoken commands. Summary: AI means machines acting smart like human. ML means AI learning from data. DL means advanced ML using brain-like networks. Thanks for watching. See you again in next Let's Learn Basic Concepts video. Keep learning in virtual classroom lectures.